Hello and welcome back, awesome people. You're welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to another edition of our social media growth and monetization video. And in this particular video today, I want to go ahead and reveal 5 things to you that you are doing right now, which serves as a confirmation that you are not going to grow on the streets of YouTube. Yes, this sounds somewhat um disappointing, more like a bad news, but then you know us very well on this channel. What we do is say the truth the way it is and try to push you to succeed the right way. Okay, but nonetheless, towards the end of the video, I'm going to reveal the things you have to do on the contrary, which is actually going to put you right back on track. Okay, so if this sounds like what you like, what you want to hear, I want you to come closer, stay put right here with us with a glass of water and try to see this video till the end. So if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back around. Do want to smash the like button and go ahead and share this video to as many you know this video is going to be helpful to, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below, right? So if you are seeing me for the first time on this channel, my name is Frank and I make videos around making money online, and in the time recent I make videos around social media growth and monetization. Okay, so if this sounds like what you like, I want you to go ahead and smash the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we get to drop amazing content just like this one you're watching right now, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube and obviously be the first to take advantage of all our videos. So that being said, guys, let's dive right into today's subject matter. Now, YouTubers actually told us that out of 10,000 people who create YouTube channel, that 1,000 are actually going to succeed, which actually means out of 100% of people who create YouTube channel, per time, 10% alone have the tendency to succeed. So you can see that the chances of failing on YouTube is bigger than the chances of making it. So that's why you have to do everything possible to make sure you do everything you are doing the right way and at the right time by taking the right approach to YouTube. Okay. All right, guys. So the first thing you're going to be seeing yourself doing, which is actually a bad sign that you're not going to succeed on the street of YouTube, is if you see yourself trying to struggle to get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers. Okay. When you see yourself like all you see yourself do is try to do everything possible to reach these two requirements. Okay, so if you are familiar with the monetization requirement of YouTube, you know that you actually have to earn at least 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours to enable your channel, to enable your videos and start making money when YouTube actually places ads on those videos. Okay, so these are like the two basic requirements that you actually need. So by the time you see yourself, like all you see yourself do on the street of YouTube is trying to, hustle, fight, struggle so hard, okay, to earn this requirement. Okay, you'll be like, today can be okay, let me be hustling for the 4K watch hours today, and tomorrow, okay, I'm hustling for subscribers. Like all you see yourself doing is, dangle between these two things. Like all your concentration is going towards earning 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You are actually doing the wrong thing, and it's a sign that you are not actually going to succeed on the street of YouTube. Okay, so you shouldn't be after getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. The 4K watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers is actually coming from people, and these people are audiences, and these audiences are supposed to be people who are interested in what you do here on YouTube. There are people who should be interested in the type of content you make. Okay, so yeah, on the contrary, it means you should focus more on making your videos, and then when people love what you are doing, they'll come over and then they become your subscriber. They watch your videos and earn you the watch hours. Okay, so the way this thing works is you are the way this thing works is if you're actually building it the right way, you find out that in the long run, one of your videos or two is or actually going to go viral respectively. So they're actually going to go viral, and once this video go viral, you notice that what you've been looking for, what you've been struggling looking for, is now given to you just by the slap of the finger. Okay, so your energy should go more on making videos and attracting like audience, okay, to watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. You should learn to build the audience organically. So by then you attract real audience, and then you're going to have your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours the right way. So if you have found yourself in this category, please, it's time to like take a retracement. Okay, so what you should be after is making videos in your niche consistently and professionally, keep it on that way, and before you know, you are going to have a viral video. And that's what happens to any YouTuber, actually big YouTuber around you today. I mean, that's what happened to them. So at some point when they were small, okay, before you know it, they have a viral video and boom, that's monetize them. One video, mainly one video is what monetizes a channel. So what you need is that viral video. And how do you have it? By consistently uploading to your channel and treating your channel as a business. All right. So the second thing on my list, which you're going to be seeing yourself doing as a sign that you're not going to succeed on the street of YouTube, is the fact that you are working so hard to monetize your channel. All your focus is actually directed towards monetizing your channel. Now, should I let you know that YouTube in essence does not really monetize channel. What YouTube does is they actually monetize your content. So when you hear that a channel is monetized, it's not actually the channel per se, but it is your content that YouTube is actually monetizing. So instead of trying so hard to monetize channel, you see a lot of people go as far as buying subscribers, buying watch hours. Okay, and at the end of the day, you are having 100 views, 200 views. That's why you hear people complain, oh, my channel is monetized, but I'm not making money. This is the reason, because they fought so hard to monetize the channel by going as far as buying the subscribers and watch hours. But at the end of the day, nobody appears to watch. At the end of the day, when they are monetized, nobody watches their video. Nobody watches their video. So they can't be paid because YouTube doesn't monetize channel in essence, but they monetize videos. It means people have to watch your videos. When they place ads on your videos, the people who are watching your videos watch those ads and tend to maybe click the ads or click off if they are not interested. So it's actually a game of audience, okay, and you need this in order to succeed on the street of YouTube. So if you find yourself trying to fight so hard towards monetization and you're trying to do everything within your power to make sure you monetize, and at the end of the day you find yourself doing the wrong thing, such as buying subscribers and watch hours, you're actually doing the wrong thing, and you are not actually going to succeed on this street of YouTube. So the best practice is just keep building your channel as a business, keep uploading videos the right way and professionally, and before you know, one video gets viral, blow you up, and you start attracting audience of your kind. All right. So the third sign that you are not actually going to succeed on this street of YouTube is when you see yourself not taking YouTube as a business. Okay, you have to carry a business mentality to be able to succeed on the street of YouTube. You have to treat YouTube as a business. So maybe this is when attending business seminars will be necessary, because what is being told you at those seminars are the things you should also apply on your YouTube channel. Things like you need consistency, you need records, you need journals, you need focus. You need to give your business 100% attention. Okay, so not today you come over and make video, and the next time we see you is the next 2 weeks, or the next time we see you is when you are free. Maybe after today, that is not how to approach YouTube, and it's a great sign that you're not actually going to succeed on this platform. So what this platform needs is you actually need to treat it as a business. You have to have a business mentality. You have to approach YouTube as a business before you succeed. Okay, you draw your timetable for the week. What am I having on Monday? Okay, I'm shooting on Monday, I'm shooting in the morning, I'm editing in the evening, I'm uploading this video on Tuesday, on Wednesday. You have your content planned out, everything you're doing planned out, your editing, your strategies, everything is planned out. Okay, and you try to engage your audience, try to be consistent on the platform, and try to see what others are doing, try to make your business better. Just like you have a physical business premises, at some point you try to say, okay, what can I do to make my business better? That's the same mentality you use for YouTube. So at some point, even as an old YouTuber, at some point you'll be like, okay, so what can I do to take me from here to the next level? What can I do to better my channel? So you treat YouTube as a business. So by so doing, you're going to find out that you're going to be making waves. All right. So if you've not been treating YouTube as a business, if you've not been taking YouTube serious as a business, if you've not been approaching YouTube as with a business mentality, you have to start doing that now, because that's what pays. So the fourth thing on my list of the things you are doing right now, which is actually a sign that you are not actually going to succeed on the street of YouTube, is the fact that you need quick results. You need quick results. Nothing good comes easy. A forest wasn't made in a day. Okay, a forest wasn't made in a day. One tree was planted, and another day two, another day three, and it escalated. Okay, a walk of 1,000 miles begins with a step. So you can't start YouTube today and want to blow up today. It's not possible. You try to do everything possible to make sure you blow up today. Money is your, you want to make money, you want to blow up as soon as possible. So this mentality will actually make you end up doing the wrong things, doing the things you are not supposed to do. So you have to approach YouTube gradually and with a business mentality, like I said earlier. So you don't need quick results. All you just need to do is just ensure that you are doing the right thing. So doing the right thing over and over again is what produces the results. Okay, and not try to doing I'm not trying to want to do everything all in one day to start making money tomorrow. That's not possible. It's not going to work on YouTube. Okay, it's not going to work on YouTube. YouTube needs the keys of patience and consistency. Okay, patience and consistency with a touch of professionalism. Okay, and if you keep applying these three things and keep going easy, before you know, you blow up. And that's how it works. Everything doesn't work out in a day. So don't try it. If you have been doing it, you have to desist from that, and you have to change that mentality. You have to exercise patience. You have to make sure you follow it up little by little, and with a touch of professionalism. And that's how you keep going. That's how you keep going. That's how you keep going. And before you know, boom, you blow. So the last thing on my list, which you're actually doing right now, which is actually a sign that you're not going to succeed on the street of YouTube, is that you do not have a niche that you are. You don't have a steady niche. You don't have what you are talking to people about on YouTube. Today you are talking about cooking food. Tomorrow you are talking about making money. Tomorrow, the next day you're talking about social media growth. So you don't have a niche. So, and as such, YouTube can't even recommend your videos, because it doesn't. The algorithm doesn't know the type of video you make and the type of people it's to recommend your videos to. So you find out that you keep struggling. Okay, you were on the cooking niche today, and you found out that, oh, someone else is having 1 million views on a faceless channel, and you switch to a faceless channel and you keep going. Before you know, the following week you switch. It doesn't work that way. You need to make sure you pick a niche. You're able to pick a niche. So when you pick a niche, you build on that niche over time. So once you keep building on that niche, before you know it, that is when you are going to attract the audiences you need and the results you need. And the result you need is actually the money. So the money on YouTube is equal to your audience. No audience, no money. So without being able to gather the right audience for your content, it's impossible to make money on the street of YouTube. So please, if you find yourself in this category of like always switching niche each time, please, you have to stop. So you have to try to maintain one niche, and make your videos around this particular niche. By so doing, the YouTube's algorithm understands what you are doing, so it will be easy for the algorithm to push your videos to people, and then you are going to attract the right audience over time and start making money for yourself. So if you have watched this video up to this point, I hope you've gotten value, and if you have, go ahead and smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't done that. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.